Struggling to track changes in Jira? Imagine needing to report on all significant changes to high-priority tasks from the last sprint. Manually checking each issue is time-consuming. That's where JQL comes in, allowing you to get the list of specific issues, and an app like Issue History for Jira displays the detailed change data. At first, let's explore how to use JQL queries in Jira. You can use such a JQL to find the most priority issues. Select the necessary project, tasks as priorities, and the required sprint. It will help you quickly identify and focus on the most critical tasks within a specific sprint, ensuring that high-priority work gets the necessary attention. But what if you need more than just a list of issues? That's where a third-party app like Issue History for Jira comes in. With Issue History, you can view a complete history of changes across multiple issues, filter by date range, user, project, or sprint, share the change report with managers or stakeholders very quickly. Let's try it in action. Set your filters, select the sprint, and update her if needed. Define the columns you want to see in the report, like the priority column. Create and save a custom view for future use. Click the Share button to copy a direct link to the filtered change report. Send the link to your boss or team via email or Slack. Your boss or teammate will see exactly the same report you created. No extra configuration needed.